I spent most of my life wondering why no one wanted to be around me. I wasn't rude, I wasn't loud, but I was invisible. I could be sitting in a room full of people and still feel like I didn't exist. No one asked me how I was doing. No one invited me anywhere. And the more I noticed it, the more it started to break something inside me. I'd walk down hallways with my eyes glued to the ground, scared to make eye contact because deep down, I believed no one really wanted to see me anyway. I tried everything. I read the books, How to Win Friends, How to Talk to Anyone, you name it. I memorized tricks, smile more, remember names, ask questions. But none of it worked. I was still the guy no one wanted to sit next to. It wasn't until I got brutally honest with myself that I realized the truth. People didn't dislike me because I lacked social tricks. They stayed away because I didn't even like myself. And that energy, it bleeds through everything you say and do. You can fake confidence, fake smiles, fake interest, but you can't fake self-respect. So I stopped trying to be liked. I started trying to become someone I liked. That's when everything changed. People can feel when you're not chasing them. They can sense when you don't need them to complete you. That's when they start to lean in. Because the truth is, we're all starving for someone real. And most people aren't liked because they're perfect. They're liked because they make others feel seen, heard, and safe. So, how do you actually make people like you? It starts with presence. Not pretending to listen while thinking about what to say next. Not nodding and smiling while checking your phone. I'm talking about real presence. When someone speaks to you, listen like their words are the most important thing in the world. Because to them, they are. Put your thoughts on pause. Let them finish. Let silence happen. Let them feel that you're with them. That alone will set you apart from 95% of people. But presence isn't enough without warmth. Not fake, surface-level niceness. Not people-pleasing. I'm talking about genuine warmth. The kind that comes from truly appreciating someone. When you talk to someone, assume they're good. Look at them like they matter. Feel it. Admire something in them, even silently. That emotion leaks out through your body language and tone. People don't remember what you said. They remember how they felt around you. And if they felt valued, they'll come back. Every time. Still, the final piece, and the one most people ignore, is power. No one likes someone who tries too hard to be liked. Power doesn't mean dominating the conversation. It means knowing who you are and not apologizing for it. Speak honestly. Don't shrink your opinions to avoid conflict. If you disagree, say so. If you have standards, protect them. And most importantly, be comfortable being alone. The most magnetic people in the world are those who can sit at a table by themselves and radiate self-worth. Why? Because they're not performing. They're just being. And in a world full of masks, that's irresistible. Here's something no one tells you. People don't fall for your jokes, your clothes, or your stories. They fall for the way you make them feel about themselves. Do you make them feel understood? Do you make them feel safe to be real? Do you hold space without judgment? That's what makes people want to be around you. Not tricks, not manipulation, just truth. So stop chasing attention. Stop copying scripts. Start becoming someone you admire. That confidence will show up in your body, your voice, your silence. And when it does, people will start to orbit around you like you're the sun. Not because you begged them to, but because you finally became someone worth knowing. This isn't about becoming popular. This is about becoming whole. Because the more whole you become, the more others feel healed by your presence. And that's what real charisma is. So if you want to be liked, don't focus on being likable. Focus on being real. Be present. Be warm. Be powerful. And watch how the world changes around you.